When you're rolling out a new system, you need to train employees on how to use it. If you're using the ScreenSteps browser extension, Sidekick, then rollout training just got a whole lot easier because Sidekick allows you to push your training resources right to your employees when they're in the system learning what to do. Here's how a training could go. First, create a few videos that cover the foundational concepts. For example, if you're rolling out a CRM, show what it looks like and explain the general navigation. Once employees feel comfortable navigating around, you need them to learn how to perform their day-to-day procedures. And this is where Sidekick really shines. During training, give learners a scenario and have them pull up the appropriate policy, job aid, procedure, decision tree, or video right alongside the new system. They can then follow the steps to practice doing the procedure. So if you're rolling out a new HR system, ask your employees to request time off by finding the correct guide and then following the steps. If you're rolling out a new banking system, ask them to handle a situation where a member of the credit union has passed away and somebody wants to close their account. This way, they're not just becoming familiar with the system, they're actually learning how to do their job using the new system. And since they're also using Sidekick during training to perform those procedures, they're going to feel comfortable pulling it up and following along, which is important because after training is over, you will not be available 24/7 to help them. But Sidekick will be. And employees will love having answers at their fingertips to guide them through how to do their job using the new system.